Good morning, sir. This is the continuation of my topic, water pumping, equipment maintenance and management. First is inspection procedures. So routine inspection means regularly checking the pump and its parts to ensure that it's working properly and safety. So kailangan ito sa water pump natin para maging aware tayo sa mga nasira nito or para maayos yung pagkakagamit natin. So, during the inspection, operators should check leaks in pipes, valves, and pump casing, unusual noise or vibration from the pump or motor, water flow and pressure levels, loose bolts and connections, electrical wiring and motor conditions. So, ang routine inspection natin ay nakakatulong ito para malaman natin yung problema bago ito maging serious or maging expensive pa para ma-repair ito. So, ang example nito, farmers may inspect the pump daily or weekly, especially during heavy irrigation use. So, ang farmer natin ay kailangan ma-check niya yung water pump natin or nila daily or weekly para tuloy-tuloy ang paggamit. Next is preventive maintenance schedules. Preventive maintenance means servicing the pump regularly to prevent breakdowns instead of waiting problems to occur. So, itong preventive maintenance ay kailangan din ito para ma-prevent na natin bago makarating yung problema sa ating water pump. So, dapat regularly na ma-check ito. So, ang maintenance task, visual inspection daily, ang frequency niya. Tapos, ang cleaning filters and strainers weekly naman. Sa lubricating moving parts is monthly. Checking alignment and bolts is every 3 to 6 months, and full inspection and servicing is yearly. So, ang benefits naman nito is extend pump lifespan, reduces repair cost, improves pump efficiency, prevents sudden failures. So, ayun. Next is bearing and cell maintenance. Bearings and cells are important parts that help the pump operate smoothly and prevent water leakage. So, isa rin ito sa pinaka-importante is yung bearing at mga seals natin para maiwasan natin yung pagkasira ng ating water pump or yung daluyan ng tubig. Kung may leakage doon, hindi yun makakapunta doon sa mga pananim. So, bearings support the rotating shaft of the pump. Maintenance practices nito is apply proper lubrication, oil or grease, check for overheating, and replace worn or damaged bearings. So, signs of bearing problems: loud noise, excessive vibration, and overheating. So, yun na yung mga signs niya na pag may problema na yung ating water pump, masyado lang malakas yung andar niya, tapos may grabe na yung vibration. So, seals prevent water from leaking out of the pump housing. So, yun yung sinabi ko kanina na ang seals ay kailangan din ito para ma-prevent natin yung mga water leaking. So, ang maintenance practices nito is inspect seals for wear and damage. Replace leaking seals immediately. So, ensure proper installation to avoid leakage. Next is impeller cleaning and replacement. The impeller is the rotating part of the pump that moves water through the pump system. Impeller cleaning: over time, dirt, sand, and debris can build up in the impeller. So, cleaning steps: first is turn off the pump, open Second is open the pump casing. Third is remove debris or sediment. And the fourth is wash the impeller carefully. So, itong impeller is, ito yung mga bagay na kailangan nating bantayan pag marami ng mga dirt or mga sand or mga debris na pumapasok sa impeller is ano na siya, yung maliit na yung binibigay niya na water flow. So ang impeller, pag kailangan na itong i-replace is if the impeller becomes worn, damaged or corroded, it must be replaced. So kailangan na itong i-replace pag nasira na yung impeller natin. Signs that replacement is needed: reduced water flow, low pump efficiency, and visible damage to the impeller blades. Next is common problems and solutions. So problem: pump not starting, possible cause electrical problem. Solution: check power supply and wiring. Next is low water output, possible cause is block pipes or worn impeller. Solution: clean pipes or replace impeller. Next is pump overheating, possible cause niya is poor lubrication or overload. The solution is lubricate bearings and reduce loads. Next is excessive vibration, possible cause niya is misalignment or loose parts. And solution is realign and tighten components. And lastly is water leakage. So problem cause niya is damaged seals. So the solution is replace seals. So identifying problems early can prevent serious pump damage and reduce repair costs. So next is seasonal maintenance requirements. Pump maintenance may change depending on the season of farming cycle. So before irrigation season, inspect the pump thoroughly. Check electrical connections, clean filters and pipes, test pump operation. So ito rin, kailangan din ito bago natin paandarin yung water pump natin. Dapat i-inspect muna natin ito ng kung ano yung problema or ano yung mga leakage, kung may mga leakage ba na mangyayari, tapos yung electrical niya sa mga filters, sa pipes, tapos yung test pump operation niya, tapos yung during irrigation, monitor performance regularly, check water flow and pressure, lubricate moving parts. So pag nagpa-irrigation ka na, palagi mo na i-monitor mo pa rin yung performance niya at saka yung water flow at saka pressures. Then after irrigation season, clean the pump and remove dirt or debris. Drain water from the pump to prevent corrosion. Store the pump in a dry and safe place. So seasonal maintenance help ensure the pump is ready for the next irrigation cycle. So ayun. Next is record keeping and performance tracking. Keeping records helps farmers monitor pump performance and maintenance history. Important information to record: installation date, maintenance activities, repairs and replacements, operating hours, fuel or electricity consumption, water output and pressure readings. So importante rin itong records para sa ating mga farmers para ma-monitor yung water pump performances at ma-monitor yung maintenance niya. So benefits of record keeping: helps identify recurring problems, improve maintenance planning, and tracks pump efficiency over time. Next is cost benefit analysis of pump operation. Cost benefit analysis compares the cost of operating the pump with the benefits gained from the irrigation. So itong cost and benefit naman is dito mo ikukumpara yung kung anong cost at yung benefit na ating makukuha sa ating water pump operation. So cost may include electricity or fuel expenses, maintenance and repair cost, replacement of parts, and lastly labor cost. At ang benefits naman nito is increased crop yield, improve crop quality, reliable water supply, and better farm productivity. So if the benefits of irrigation exceed the cost, pump operation is considered economically beneficial for farmers. So next is